Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 39. And whatsoever is the seed of all beings, that also am I, O Arjuna. There is no being, whether moving or unmoving, that can exist without me.
Chapter 10, Shloka 39. यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहम् अर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यस्यान् मया भूतं चराचरम्.
Chapter 10, Shloka 39. Summing up all that he had said so far in a beautiful peroration, the Lord says, I am that which is the seed of all. The self as the source of creation has been indicated in all the items discussed so far. The example of the seed and the tree makes it clear. A simple looking seed under favorable conditions sprouts and over time becomes a giant tree when it becomes difficult to conceive of any relation between the seed and the tree. Similarly, to one who is caught up in the world of plurality, there is nothing to remind him of the source from which all names and forms of the universe have sprung up. The entire universe in its condition of sleep, remaining in seed form, is the state of pralaya. It is like our own sleep condition when our peculiar personality conditions remain in dormant condition to again express themselves when we wake up. The restful state of the total mind intellect, and so all the vasanas in all of us, is the condition of total pralaya. The God principle Ishvara, identifying with the total vasanas, is the one great seed from which the tree of samsara has emerged and will again and again emerge infinite number of times. Thus Lord says, I am the seed of the universe. However, while creating the world, he is not destroyed, but as the substratum supports the plurality, so he says, none can exist without me, neither the moving nor the unmoving. All the waves are born in the sea and grow. They cannot stand apart from the source. The cosmos rises from the principle of ignorance to seemingly veil the truth, yet it draws its power from the total source. The ignorance of the self is the seed from which everything has risen up and illumined by the awareness in us, without which we would not have been aware of anything. Like ornaments are made of gold, without which no jewelry can exist. Like all the shapes of cloth are manufactured from cotton, without which no sample of cloth can exist. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.